welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So do you guys remember this set? Or did you miss this video? If you did, check out my description box. I would link it down there. So it has been 3 weeks and it's time for her acrylic infill. So I already went in and prepped and primed her natural nails. And if you have not seen my prep video as yet, it will be in the cards and in my description box below. And now all I'm doing is going in with a small to medium sized bead of my clear acrylic, going in and make sure that my cuticle area and side walls are nice and flush, and then blending that new bead of acrylic back into the old acrylic that is already there. So that is all I did for this set because I'm going to be doing a gel polish design on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and allow you guys to watch me do this, and I did leave my application in real time, file shaped and buffed off camera, and I'll meet you guys right back. It's design time. Now I'm going in with this gel polish, and this is Candy-licious by Wave Gel, and I did apply 2 nice thin even coats. Now this design was actually requested by my client for us to copy. I usually don't like copying other people's work, but she had it in her phone for so long and she really wanted to get it done, and I will insert the picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see what we used. If you know whose work it is, feel free to tell me in the comment section below, but it did not have a name on it, so I can't say whose work it is, but I can show the picture and give credit where credit is due. So I did go in and pop this in my LED lights, and I cured in between each coat for 30 seconds. I will list all the names of the gel polishes that I used in this set because at the moment I can't remember every one, but I do remember Candy-licious because who wouldn't remember that name, right? So I am going in with the Candy-licious, and then I'm going in with this yellow gel polish by MadamGlam, and I'm going to use my fan brush and create a gel polish ombre. Now in the picture they had the 2 colors separated, so I just tweaked this design a little bit because I personally found if I ombre the 2 colors together, I'd get a cleaner effect when I put my leopard print on top of it. Now I know the gel polish does look thick, and that is because it is. So what I did, I went underneath the nail, and I'll show you guys when I do my second coat. I went underneath the nail and I pulled all that excess gel polish off to make sure that we have a nice clean shape, and to make sure that we don't get any bubbles or peeling in the gel polish because it's too thick. You still want that nice thin smooth layer to make sure that it cures all the way through. This is how that nail looks now that it's fully cured. So now I'm going in with this gorgeous Tiffany blue gel polish, also by MadamGlam, and I'm just going to be placing random, very uneven spots on the nail, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that. So now I'm going in with my art gel, and I'm going to create the details in my leopard print. So on this nail, I am going in with my white art gel, and I'm just going to create one of those caption boxes, and inside of that box it says pow. Now it's really difficult for you guys to see what I'm doing because of my lights and I'm using white, but I'm just sketching out the outline of the caption box with the white itself and my nail art brush, and then I'm going to go in and give it a light coat of the white. Now I did do 2 coats of this white because 1 coat I was still seeing that color coming through. On her pinky finger and her thumb, I'm just randomly placing those 4 colors that we use throughout this design, and I don't want them perfect. I do want them to sort of blend into each other but create sort of a patchy effect. Yeah, I just don't want it perfect because it's really hard to explain. And I am going to be putting some abstracts on top of this. Now I did go over these colors 2 times and cured in between each, not forgetting to clean up my cuticle area and sidewalls if it is I get any gel polish there before curing. So now I'm going back in with my black art gel and I'm going to create that abstract design. So that was it for this set, guys. After doing this, I just went ahead and applied my top coat and my cuticle oil, and of course I'll have a clip of the final results at the end of the video, followed by some pictures. I hope my recreation of this set actually did it justice. Tell me in the comment section below how I did, and leave me this emoji with your comments down there as well. So that is it, guys. You already know what to do. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to say welcome to the BeGlamorous family. And those of you who have been down with me from day 1, I want to say thank you, and I love and appreciate you guys so much. Now, on another note, I decided not to put a time to my videos, so make sure you have your bell notification turned on. I will continue with the days though, so it's Tuesday and Saturday for nail art tutorials, and then we have our review it Thursday. Once it is, I have a review to present for you guys. So that is it, guys. I am out. I'm gonna leave you right here to watch the rest of this video because I talk way too much. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.